Fuel campaigners call for a probe and a regulation of UK's price hike. A group advocating for reduced petrol prices has called for immediate action, alleging that motorists are being scammed as prices continue to reach record highs. After President Biden launched a similar probe in the United States, FairFuelUK, FFUK, which has support from haulage and logistics trade groups, said it was apparent that the Competition and Markets Authority should look into how rip-off pump prices are calculated. An impartial price watchdog should be established by the government, according to the report, stating that faceless corporations are already defrauding motorists of £5.9 million each day. Retailers replied by citing a wide range of variables, not simply wholesale costs, as the cause of higher pricing. FairFuelUK spoke out after the AA revealed statistics indicating that a 5.6p drop in wholesale diesel and unleaded pricing last week had not yet trickled through to reduce record pump prices. Retailers, particularly fueling stations, have been accused of profiting in recent weeks because they neglected to take into account the fall in oil prices at the beginning of the outbreak. Motoring organizations have frequently stated that the first shutdown should have resulted in prices falling below £1 per litre if they really reflected the market. Because of the limited demand for gasoline, they claimed that margins were being safeguarded. Brent crude oil has risen beyond $80 a barrel this year, compared to $50 by the end of 2020, resulting in an increase in pump prices. Price increases were at the very least slowing as a result of lower wholesale pricing, according to Experian Catalyst data. On Tuesday, the average pump price for unleaded in the United Kingdom was 147.64 pence a litre. Diesel prices were at 150.80 cents per litre at that time. According to a recent poll conducted by the automotive industry's own trade association, 43% of drivers were planning to reduce their automobile use as a result of recent high gas prices. In spite of the US, UK and other countries releasing oil from secret reserves into the market, the AA said this week's rise in oil prices was a blow to drivers and consumers seeking for some respite from the inflation impacting Christmas spending plans. According to the Petrol Retailers Association, PRA, which represents two-thirds of all UK forecourts, oil price changes and a weakening of the British pound are to blame for continuous record pricing.